the national anthem.
We as Nigerian LNG have enjoyed many, many years of very fruitful collaboration with the government of Rivers State. It has always been a partnership. It has always been a very supportive government to us in NLNG, and we believe that going forward it is going to be no different. We pledge our support as a company to the aspirations of this government, and we commit to contributing our own part in the success of Rivers State. A few examples of some of the opportunities that have come up in the past whereby we've been able to collaborate successfully with the state. And perhaps one of the more recent and outstanding ones has been during COVID. During COVID, most businesses were forced to shut down. The whole country as a whole at a certain point. But with the support of the Rivers State government, we were able to get permission to continue operating the most critical aspects of our business so that the economy of this country could continue to be supported. And for the 2 years that the economy would have otherwise been impacted by our shutting down, we were able to at least continue with production, to continue our shipping activities, to continue the sale of LNG, to also continue the supplies of LPG or cooking gas into the Nigerian market. And that was enabled by this state government. And this was just one aspect of it. On our part, we also saw the need to support the government during those trying times. And we did so in many ways. We gave donations of medical equipment, PPE, various contributions that we made, in addition to which we also built a COVID diagnostic center in Bonny, which came in very handy at that time, not only for our own use, but for the wider community as well. It was also during that time that we made a commitment to establish the infectious disease unit within the Rivers State University Teaching Hospital. And this we successfully handed over to the state government in May of this year. But these are not the only things that we have done to contribute either to the state or to our country, because we have a vision within Nigeria LNG, not only to be a globally competitive LNG business, because our business is largely international, but also to help build a better Nigeria. Helping to build a better Nigeria is one of the key elements of our vision. And to do this, we have also committed ourselves to various programs that we have been doing, some of them for many, many years, decades in fact, and some more recently. Aside from a number of things that we have done with regards to education, whether it was the renovation of schools within Rivers State, whether it was the activities related to scholarships, various health programs, we also committed to what we called the hospital support program, whereby we were helping to improve the facilities in various teaching hospitals around the country, one of which was here in Rivers State, a renal dialysis center, which again, we've also been able to commission. Aside from all of that, we have been working with the federal government to build a road that will connect Bonny Island with the mainland. This is a 38-kilometer road that is currently under construction. We expect that that will be completed sometime between the end of this year and the first quarter of next year. And when that is completed, you should be able to actually get in your car.
We want to identify with the new government. We want to work with you, cooperate with you. Yeah, we're happy. We honestly do appreciate this honor that you did realize that there is a new government and it is proper for you to identify with them. On our part, we'll give you all the necessary support and cooperation to work in a very safe and business-friendly environment. But you also need to do better than what, as a government, is. We're doing all we can to support you in terms of security, because if we make the place unhabitable for you, you can operate well. So we expect that in this your Train-7, you need to carry the state along. It's not just enough to have some sort of agreement or understanding with the indigenes of Bonny, with your host community. At a larger scale, River State is your host community. Bonny can't do anything if the government decides to say this is the way we want it to be. So I want to appeal to you that as you're going on with the Train-7 activity, please get us involved in a larger scale. We need employment for our youth. We need also support for those people who can also get involved in a level of contracts there. We are also very competent in our way, and I believe that if you have the courage to try them, they will also perform very well. So please, I want you to have that in mind. To also give all the necessary support in terms of logistics. Logistics is not we're giving you money, but if there is anywhere we can come in to make things easy for you, we will be willing and ready to do it. I also appreciated you mentioning that over the years you've enjoyed a very cordial relationship with the government. We do not intend to change that. We will still keep that relationship strong and alive. Today, you're embarking on the Bodo-Bonny road. You mentioned here that people are considering extending to the east-west road. I don't think it will be out of place if you decide to do it. You have the resources. East-west road cannot be disconnected from the Bonny-Bodo road because you have to pass or transverse through the east-west road before you connect to the axis that will lead you to the Bonny-Bodo road. So please, if you're willing and you have the courage to venture into it, and you want us to give you any support, we'll be willing to sit down and discuss it, because it's a nightmare to us in the States. If there's one major problem that we've been having in terms of, as mentioning the renal center, your former MD, I think managing director, when he came here, that project was not executed by you people. We paid for it because the money you were bringing, I was part of the system, so I know the money you were bringing couldn't execute that project the way the university, the teaching hospital wanted it. So rather than allow it to go halfway, we came in and ensured that it was completed.